Are you looking forward to a classic sailing experience and sailing effortlessly through the water? Here are the world's top 10 monohull yachts for mesmerizing sailing adventures. Don't skip, watch the full video, and the end of the video will show you the best monohull yachts for unforgettable sailing adventures. Welcome back to Yacht News, where you may enjoy the most spectacular and up-to-date yacht news. Before we begin, like and subscribe so that we can welcome you aboard, and do give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Turn on the bell icon to receive notifications about upcoming videos. Today, we are going to discover the top 10 monohull yachts for mesmerizing sailing adventures. So let's start with number 10 on our list. Number 10, the AML 55. The AML 55 has been the pinnacle of simple downwind handling for many years and has even gained a cult status among sailors. It was created as the iconic Super Maramu replacement and brought fantastic features that every professional sailor will value to the forefront. The AML 55 is equipped with everything you could possibly desire in an ideal monohull yacht, including a sturdy hull, sturdy guardrails, a skeg-hung rudder, waterproof bulkheads, and luxuriant bulwarks. We must admit that, by contemporary standards, the design may appear dated, particularly in light of the development of simpler sail handling technologies. For instance, the ketch rig style is no longer appropriate and in style. Despite this drawback, the AML 55 continues to be a phenomenon and a renowned monohull yacht that checks all the sailing industry's right boxes. If you thought the monohull yacht number 10 was great on our list, then definitely make sure to keep watching for the next one. Number 9, Bavaria Cruiser 46. The Bavaria Cruiser 46 is a powerful monohull yacht that was chosen like the European Yacht of the Year in 2015. It is arguably the most well-liked monohull sailing yacht in recent years. This is understandable given that it's unlikely to find any monohull yacht in its class that provides greater comfort, more room, greater luxury, and simpler handling. By splitting the enormous forward cabin into 2 smaller rooms, you can convert the yacht's 3 cabins into 4 cabins in just a few easy steps. A huge, opulent master stateroom in the bow may be readily partitioned utilizing a cutting-edge flexi bulkhead. It looks so fantastic and has the right size for both the short and long excursions. In essence, the Bavaria Cruiser 46 is a sophisticated monohull sailing yacht with an inventive and intelligent design that redefines contemporary yachts. Let's continue with the next monohull yacht on our list, one with excellent resale value. Number 8, Hallberg Rossi 48 Mark II. The Hallberg Rossi 48 Mark II was introduced in 2014 as an updated version, following in the footsteps of the original Hallberg Rossi 48 Mark I, which was introduced a decade earlier. This was made possible by its contemporary profile, amazing hull port lights, and wider and frameless windows. This Swedish monohull yacht is well built, exquisitely finished, and well known amongst sailors for its gracious and peaceful temperament at sea. This monohull has a lot of extra features, including a big chart table, lots of storage space, a safe linear galley, and extra tools and equipment that would be very useful while sailing. This monohull yacht is well designed and is arguably the best Hallberg Rossi ever constructed. This yacht ensures dependability, exceptional quality, and outstanding resale value. Let's continue with an even better monohull yacht, one of the largest out there with mesmerizing features. Number 7, the Catalina 545. The Catalina 545, one of the biggest monohull sailing yachts out there, distinguishes itself for the fact that it was developed and created to be a truly exceptional monohull yacht. If you're a Catalina lover, you'll notice that the 545 includes some of the blue water cruising industry's most mesmerizing features. In order to completely prevent the development of streaking or stains just on the top of the side of the monohull, this excellent monohull yacht is built with a set of scuppers that play a critical role in draining near the waterline. In terms of the bow, the Spirit continues a self-tacking jib, a necessary yet distinctive anchor roller, and a small displacement that makes the yacht swift even in low or moderate wind. In essence, this monohull yacht is built with straightforward, dependable technologies that are simple to use. Keep watching for number 6, a monohull yacht which will undoubtedly increase your confidence. Number 6, the Gunfleet 43. The idea of downsizing to a yacht and keeping most of your needs at home might be overwhelming for many sailors who have the desire to spend the majority of their time traveling to exotic locations. Put it another way, it's practically impossible to fit your entire life into a 40-foot vessel if you've lived in a 2,000 feet home your entire life. While you might not be able to bring things like your hot jacuzzi on an ocean cruise, the Gunfleet's enormous space allows you to bring most of your essentials. This monohull keeps up well in terms of performance and quickness. Since the helm is sensitive regardless of the point of the sail, it speeds nicely, especially when out of the tack. This exceptional monohull yacht has a sturdy feel and will undoubtedly increase your confidence if you intend to make extended journeys even in unfavourable weather. Now that we saw some of the top 10 monohull yachts, share in the comment section which is your favourite one so far. Before watching the rest of the video, subscribe to our channel. Let's continue on to number 5 on our list, a monohull yacht that will bring you to your destination in almost any weather condition. Number 5, the Bowman 40. This monohull yacht is a contemporary classic with a traditional appearance thanks to its overhang bow, deep bilge and narrow shoulders. This gives it a strong presence in the water and makes moving across wide passageways much simpler. The fact that you won't be flung around even in big waves makes these sail yachts even more steady and fun. To prevent injuries, it's made with a handholds that are easily accessible above and below deck and without any sharp edges. This is made possible by the well-balanced hull, the carefully placed sails, and the ample, neither hefty nor light ballast. To put it briefly, this is a well-made monohull yacht that will work hard for you even in clement weather. Keep watching for number 4. This monohull yacht is built with every feature that you will ever need for your sailing adventures. Number 4, the Bavaria Cruiser 51. Once you start sailing, you probably won't even notice that this is one of the biggest monohull yachts. This is due to the fact that it handles amazingly well and has 3 cabins, which make it easy and comfortable to accommodate up to 10 crew members. This yacht may be altered to contain 5 rooms to provide the utmost luxury, demonstrating its versatility. It's not just about how roomy this monohull is, instead, it's built with every feature you might possibly need to enjoy your sailing excursions. Every aspect of this stunning monohull yacht exudes style, whether you look at it from the outside, interior, deck, or cockpit. Concerning its hull, you may get a maneuverable yacht that is simple to steer even in severe winds. Essentially, this is a monohull yacht with a well-balanced proportion throughout. Modern and stylish, it will draw attention wherever you go. Let's continue on to number 3 on our list, a monohull yacht that keeps setting the standard for the industry. Number 3, the Rosler 42. The Rosler 42 is the monohull yacht that you've been seeking if you want to combine substantial performance features with other essential blue water cruising features. This stunning, quick and dependable monohull yacht continues to set the standard for monohull yachts of its size. It provides directional stability as well as the ability to support enormous loads and is sturdy enough for even the lengthy voyages. This elegant monohull yacht masterfully mixes conventional design with modernity and innovation. If you're seeking the greatest lifeboard monohulls, this yacht should be an excellent choice because it's not only beautiful but also very stable. There is plenty of room within the lockers and standing headroom in the cabin's roomy design. And to make sure that the hull is sturdy, dependable and long-lasting, it's hand-laid with polyester that has glass fiber reinforcement. On number 2, we will look at a monohull that is exceptionally stable and comfortable and will satisfy all of your needs for mesmerizing sailing adventures. Number 2, the Island Packet 35. The Island Packet 35 is well renowned for its roominess, contemporary interior, U-shaped galley, and big cockpit that unquestionably compares most modern 40-foot boats while yet adhering to the classical lines. It was built to provide great performance, stability, and comfort. This amazing monohull yacht has a short spoon, a wide sheer spring, and a transom that has been removed. The yacht's wonderfully created bowsprit lengthens the sheer line, giving the impression that it is longer, deeper, and much stronger than it actually is. This yacht has a complete keel that is extremely modest in weight and not heavy at all. The monohull interior will likely give you the impression that you are staring at a 40-foot sailboat. It performs notably better than some of the earlier models from the brand. Few yachts can perform as well as the Island Packet 35 under optimal conditions. The performance of this monohull yacht, which is exceptionally stable and comfortable, is absolutely mesmerizing. Let's finish our list with the most mesmerizing monohull yacht that will satisfy all of your adventuring needs. Number 1, the Contest 50 CS. This monohull's design has flawlessly contemporary underwater components and a perfectly balanced rudder. Even while the in-mast reefing may have an impact on the yacht's performance, it's still possible for this monohull to sail exceptionally effectively without it. This yacht is perfect for a small crew or if you're going to sail short-handed because it's built with a main sheet traveller and electric winches that are simple to access from the helm. 2 persons can easily guide offshore under a spinnaker and the Genoa is simple to tack. This monohull yacht has withstood the test of time to still mix it up nicely with the big boys of the recent years. It also has simple to operate and solidly constructed. The Contest 50 CS may not be among the most affordable monohull yachts available, but demand for them is still on the rise. And that's it for today's video. What's your opinion on the top 10 monohull yachts? Let us know down in the comment section below. Also, let us know your favourite monohull yacht from this list. We hope you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and join our channel by subscribing so that we can welcome you aboard for more exciting content. On your screen, select one of these videos and we'll see you in the next one.